Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Hema again with an unboxing video. This time it's going to be the Orchid Box from Astitva Desginers. So this is how the cardboard box reached me. It's a normal biodegradable cardboard box. So I like the design pattern here, and this is their launch edition, but they have properly registered their business, and the box is good and the packaging, everything seems to be good. I should say it's a good start. And this is how the package reached me, like normal one, and there are lots and lots of bubble wraps inside that, and all the products reached me in good condition. So I should say, as a launch box, they have done a pretty good job in packaging, and even wise, they used courier and it was good. And even they followed up with me about the tracking information. I feel like the customer servicing part and packaging is good with Orchid Box. Without any further delay, let's see what I have in the women's Orchid Box for the month of May. Okay, the first product and the star product according to me is this Vedantika instant glow mask, and it costs around 250 rupees, and the complete ingredients list is mentioned, and it is good for 18 months. It's like powder form. I love powder forms because like we can use any base whichever we are interested with. So, and we have already received a lot of samples about Vedantika, so I have some good idea about Vedantika, and I love to receive the complete the complete full size product so that we can give it a try. We can use it multiple times so that we can understand how good it reacts on the skin. So that is the star product according to me. And the next one is Fushica's the red apple variant face wash. Like, it's soap free face wash, normal 30 ml deluxe sample size, and it cost around 150, I believe. Okay, yes, it cost 150 rupees. And we all know there is no introduction is needed for Fushica, and I already got this red apple variant in another box, probably full curry, I believe, I'm not sure, and it is pretty good. But I would like to see newer releases from Fushica in the boxes, because these things are like already known and we are receiving in multiple boxes. So I want something new from subscription boxes hereafter. And the next item is the beauty item. Always I love makeup and beauty stuffs when it comes in the boxes. So this is Hilary Rhoda, and Hilary Rhoda is pretty good, but it says it's a matte lipstick, and the shade is gorgeous. I think that is what it is mentioned here as gorgeous. It's so tiny, I don't think so you people can see that, but let me give it a swatch quickly. Oh, I'm just taking that wrong part, I think. Okay, it's a gorgeous red shade, you guys. This is how it looks like on the bullet. Give it a swatch here. It's really like not complete matte. There is a creamy texture. I never used it on my lips. I will give it a shot and let you know, guys, how it's good or not, how the formula is. I will let you guys know in the Instagram review. So I'm pretty impressed with the swatch, but there is no shade choice available as of now with Orchid. I did spoke with them about why there is no choices. They did provided a choice in jewelry, in the earrings. I will show that to you guys, but when I asked them, they did said that it's a launch box and they are working on it. And they're also planning to launch a website and come up with 3 and 6 months plan and all. I was speaking with the team in the Instagram direct message. They did said they are working on that, and they properly registered their business, so they are pretty serious about what they are doing. So I'm happy about that. So they are doing step by step. The next product is this earring. There is a choice. Everything looks like black metal. Like, there is 3 or 4 choices, I believe, different shapes but of like same metal. So this is how the front side looks like, and this is how the rear side looks like it's a black metal. So I'm so happy that I don't want white metals, like black metal. It's good. And this looks like a decent size, like lengthwise it's like a normal day-to-day use. It is not like over on the top like a party wear or something like that. you can use it daily. So I'm happy about this. And the last product is this Uzana refreshing facial wipes. I received sandal variant. It says alcohol free, and it does says the manufacturing date, but nowhere on the packaging the cost of the product is mentioned. But we do know the cost of this product, which is mentioned in the info letter. I will show you that info letter. Before going there, there is another product, like an additional product. I used the code from Niranjana, Leo Tales Niranjana. Like, so I got a code for the first 5 subscribers. They said like there is a gift. This is the one. This is like a multi-purpose pouch, and I won't say this is the best quality pouch, but sure, I can use it for storing jewels or storing something. It's good. Not a best quality, but of decent quality. I should say it's a kind of okay product for me, but it's definitely usable. It's not like very thin or something like that. It's really definitely usable, and the way it is like opaque, like transparent, I'm so happy that it's transparent because I can see what is in there instead of opening and seeing the actual box. So I generally like transparent boxes or transparent pouches. So that's it, guys. These are all the products we got, and the cost of this box is $3.99 plus shipping depending upon your location. I'm not sure about the exact shipping fee. And this is the info letter. So I'm so happy that the individual products, you know, the rate is mentioned, so we can calculate how much actually we are saving. I did a rough calculation around, according to the price they have given, it is like around 800 to 850 they have mentioned, but we are paying like $3.99 plus shipping, like less than 500. We have some 300 rupees saving here. But the Uzana Wipes is mentioned as $199, but I'm not sure whether really that brand is good. I never used it, whether it actually, you know, priced at $199 or it is overpriced. Other than that, everything is under MRP. Hilary, Rhoda earrings I can accept for, you know, 50 to 80 rupees. It is like acceptable price, I would say. Other than that, I think instead of Uzana, if they would have added any other product, I would have more than happy. But it's okay, still it's a very essential product. So in that way, I'm convinced because it's an essential product, and I'm not sure about the brand, so I don't want to comment whether it is overpriced or it is nominally priced. I have to look into the web to know more about that product. So being said, this is the review about Orchid Box. I would say there is no big savings, but still everything is branded, like everything is known products. We know that they are of good quality, so we can try that without any fear whether it is like gonna work or not work. So I have a mixed feeling. I'm happy, but I would like to see more and more from them, and it's a launch box. I could not ask anything else. It's a pretty decent job, I would say. It's a thumbs up from me, from Orchid Box team. So I want more and more in future boxes. And please do, guys, if you have any comments about this video or about the Orchid Box, leave that in the comment section below. And never ever forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell button so that you will not miss out any of my videos. And for the returning subscribers, love you all, guys. Thank you for the love and support. See you. I will catch you up in the next video. Bye bye, guys.